Woo-hoo! Well, we're here at the ranch. We got a new addition to the Demolition Derby. This is a pretty unique car. Here's the other beautiful cars. Ooh, looks like we got some plants growing in the old limousine Cadillac here. See, oh, the old Buick's listing to one side a little bit here. Going here. Looks like we might have it. I don't know if it's sunken in the soil. Oh, nope, we have a flat. Yep. And then the Black Beauty, she's looking the best of them all. I think I might need to hijack this one from Shane. This one's looking pretty good. Pretty good. That one actually runs the best. It has no brakes, but I need to fix that. So let's go back and focus on the new entrance here. This is what we call a Trans Am. Look at that. Firebird Trans Am. This is an 84 5-liter Trans Am. Look at that bird on the everything. I see. Let me open the hood up here. Uh-oh. We got some hood issues. I'm gonna probably have to set down the camera, lift that up. Oh yeah, rumored that this was in the Knight Rider show. I think it's a pretty bad rumor. I think it was a stunt double car for Kit is the rumor. I'm just making that shit up. There's no way it was in any show. So it I need a tire there. Looking a little loose on the bead. Look at that Trans Am. Woo! Trans Am. A little bit of surface rust. A little bit of surface rust here too. That just helps lower the weight, go a little quicker. This one's gonna be interesting to see what it looks like after the first hit. I think this whole rear end's gonna explode. So I'm just checking this out here. Kind of bought it a little bit sight unseen. This is what we call an impound vehicle. So you get what you get. Ooh, look at that guy. Comes with a few. Someone like to smoke. Look at that stick shift. How many miles on this thing? Only 74,000. Look at that, 74,000 miles. Might be 274, but it's looking like it might be. Maybe, I don't know. Look at these seats. Oh, look at that. Oh, these. Oh, look, there's an extra battery back there. That's good to know. Sure, it works well. No sunroof. Looking pretty plain up here. Ooh, windshield's all crack in it. Might need a little bit of a buff. I don't know about starting or anything yet. Oh, look at that. Comes with, ooh, Playboy. Look at that. Playboy. Little Color Rockies. Playboy. Comes with a little bag Trans Am on it. Look at, oh, no, yeah, no power windows. That was manual option on this one. Woo! It's a beaut, huh? Look at those rims. Those in the day were called BBS. Woo! BBS Gold. This was right when they were getting in style. I don't know how many actually hold air. Maybe none. Let's see. Set this down here. Bear with me. Try to lift this hood up. Definitely somebody nicked something there. Might have been a hit and run. Might have been a DUI. I don't know, but whatever. Someone hit something pretty good. It's going to look a lot worse in about a month. So here's all the specifics on it there. Look at that. 5-speed Trans Am Firebird. 5-liter, no key odometer, 74,376. Question mark. Yeah, big question mark. All right, let me set this down. It's a little, one hinge is a little loose. Let me try to open this up. All right. Wasn't as bad as I thought. So, we have here a 5-liter petrol fired engine here. Oh, look at that AC. Woo! Where that works. I'm not seeing many parts missing. That's good. This thing might, hopefully, oh, look at plants already growing through it. I really hope this thing runs. I'll get a key and hopefully change gas, oil, some plugs, and see what happens. I can't hold this much longer, but that's all she wrote on this. Zip this down slowly. All right, so that is all she wrote right here for the 84 Trans Am. I will need to do a little rehab on this one for the Demolition Derby. So Demolition Derby, September 23rd. We will have look at some plants. Seems like the plants seem to like my my Cadillac a lot. They're kind of becoming one with the earth here. Look at that. It looks like Frankenstein right there. So that's all for now. I'll give a little update next time we get back up here and get some keys and things running and driving. So give an update in about a week or so, which is out.